Hello and welcome everyone to our first section of our Concept Art Essentials class. In this class we're going to make our own custom brush, and I think it's special in a way that we basically all use the same Photoshop. I mean, despite it being like different versions, we literally like have the same tools, and the only way to really like customize your interface or your workflow basically is to actually create custom brushes, because these are completely unique to your own workflow. I mean, of course, I offer the custom brush, my custom brush set along with this class. However, I really encourage you to follow along with this class so you can like create your full own set, and really make your own tool palette, because this is the way where you really individualize your workflow. So yeah, let's dive right into it and create our new document.